Inspect the appearance, then power off the device. Use a pentalobe screwdriver to remove the 2 screws at the bottom. Use a hot air blower to evenly heat the edges of the screen for 3-5 minutes. Place a suction cup at the bottom of the screen and lift to create a small gap. Insert a triangular opening pick into the gap and gently slide it left and right to carefully separate the screen assembly from the middle frame. Flip the screen to the left. Face protection component. Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing the metal brackets covering the screen flex cable, sensor flex cable, and battery flex cable. Keep the screws separated, then remove the brackets and disconnect the flex cables before taking off the screen. Take out the new screen and inspect its appearance to ensure it is intact. Remove the backlight film from the area where the sensor flex cable is installed on the new screen. Use a screwdriver to remove the 2 screws and the metal bracket securing the sensor flex cable on the old screen. Gently pinch and lift the sensor flex cable to remove it. Install the sensor flex cable onto the new screen in the corresponding position. Reattach the metal bracket and secure it with the 2 screws. Clean the old adhesive off the original middle frame. Apply new sealing adhesive and press firmly along the 4 sides of the middle frame. Reconnect the sensor flex cable, screen flex cable, and battery flex cable. Then reinstall the metal brackets and screws. Snap the screen shut. Use a Phillips screwdriver to reinstall the 2 screws at the bottom. Power on check.